Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to St. Johns County, St. Augustine for the Pharoahs at the Creek car show at the Trout Creek Memorial Park. This is going to be our car show cam video. Unfortunately there's not really going to be a whole lot on it because we were not in the show. We just got to drive in, park in a random area, and then drive around the show field to come out of the event. So, feel free to skip right on to the next video, or lid cam, walkabout cam, pole cam. Nope, we didn't have a pole cam at this one. Scooter vision. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, make sure you do all the YouTube things, the likes, the subscribes, the shares, the comments. It really helps out the channel. Always helps out the channel. I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out to them hot rods. Let's rev it up for that car show. Yep. I seen it as much as you did.
Damn. Yes, it's big again this time.
I ain't never been to this one.
What?
This group, I ain't never been to this show.
Oh, Pharoahs?
Yeah.
This isn't the...
This isn't a fifth Saturday cruise in. This isn't cruising to the creek.
Okay. Pet rescue. I don't think he's directing, dear.
No.
No. Good Lord, people partly out in there too.
Yeah. I'm thinking I'm going to park right back there.
Yeah. Where we normally park.
Well, that's supposed to be vendor parking.
Well, you are a vendor. You're taking pictures. No, that's not considered vendor, is it?
Nope. He's going to make us go over yonder.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Are you in the show?
No.
Or spectator?
Spectator.
Spectators parking over there. The show cars are there. We brought in food trucks. One's got Texas brisket, banana pudding, and they take credit cards. Good food. Really good food.
All right. Well, maybe we park like they are. Or park behind these.
I saw him last week at Wings and Wheels.
Yeah.
Daddy's Money, I remember.
Yeah.
I'll just park by that Nissan.
Okay.
You good with that?
Yeah. Let's go around the puddle.
Yeah.
As long as nobody parks behind us.
Leave the ramps down.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Backing up and going around the puddle.
No.
Yeah, it is one way in.
So we have to go all the way around.
Which is fine.
Yeah. You get something on your camera on the truck. Yeah, we could have parked down here. They weren't parking anyone down here though at the time.
Mm-hmm.
They quit parking people.
Yeah.
I don't know, it might be nice to park in there.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Like that one's doing.
Mm-hmm. Not sure where they're going. Must be a vendor. There's people are waiting on the bathroom. I sweat so much I don't need to go to the bathroom.
Nope. Big truck done gone.
Yeah, I see that. I did get a picture.
Yeah, I did too. That one there on the trailer is the one I was talking about I wanted to get.
Oh.
A walk around of.
Yeah.
But
It's not too late.
Now, you're already hot and sweaty and we're in the truck, buckled in. This one's taking pictures.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't see that one at all.
What?
Or that green one down there with the yellow.
You didn't get this row.
Yeah, no.
I did.
Yeah.
Like that big C10 back there with the KC lights.
I think I got pictures of it. I did. Yeah, because I was doing these and those back and forth.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
That's an oddity. That Ford there, the tan one. It's a crew cab.
Yeah. I got pictures of it too.
We got pictures of everything except for these ones that have come in late out here.
Yeah. Yeah.
I saw the,
People are in the water today.
what's her name, Donna, that has Petunia.
Yeah.
She says, you picked this show today? I said, yeah, I had to pick one.
What do you mean?
Well, there's Amelia and this, and I think there was something at the Classic Car Museum.
Oh. Yeah. We see her a lot lately.
She's a member of the Pharoahs now.
Oh, okay. Well, she is at that one, Hastings.
Yeah.
She must live in this area.
I wouldn't know.
Yeah. Should have asked her if she was coming to the Callahan Cruiser one this Saturday.
Probably. Oh, check that one out, parked over there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, he didn't stick around long.
Nope. Is that him I hear?
Uh-huh.
Looks like he's getting ready to go too. I know they had over 200 cars because they were hauling out numbers for like 206.
Mm-hmm.
Remember him from the other night?
Yep.
Cruising for kids. Yeah. He's looking at us. I figured I better wait.
Mm-hmm. Kid picked the wrong side of the drive to be videoing on.
Mm-hmm.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Pharoahs at the Creek Car Show at the Trout Creek Memorial Park in St Augustine. We thoroughly enjoyed this show. It was a great show, huge show, turnout of cars. It's a great event, great venue. It's under the trees. It's just plenty of room to spread out. it's just great. We really enjoy going out there to any kind of event that's out there, be it a cruise in or a regular car show. We always find cool stuff to look at. There's always a ton of cars out there. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you do enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. It helps out the channel, whether you believe it or not. We are at 356 subscribers. We're trying to get to 500. That's our initial goal. We got to get that 500 initial goal to get that YouTube revenue coming in. And hopefully once we do get that revenue coming in, we can go out to some different shows. We can go out to further out shows. That way we can, maybe pay for a tank of gas or two along the way. We're not going to talk about that. Just know that I know. And you guys know. Anyway, that's really all I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll see you guys at the next car show. I appreciate everybody that watches these videos. So please keep watching. We're going to keep going to the car shows as long as you guys keep watching the videos. So we'll see you guys out at the next car show, whatever the next car show is.